am Mohammed Arshad. I study in second standard.
Hi Arshad, how are you doing?
I am great. How are you?
I am also great and excited.
Excited about?
Because the exams are over and now summer vacation has started.
Oh, hey, what are you planning to do this vacation? That's great. Simla is a beautiful place. I always wanted to go to that place, but I will have to seek my parents' permission.
Okay, I will come to our house this evening and requested to your parents you to join the trip.
Hey, that's a good idea. Thank you. I will wait.